How to fix cursor jumping issue in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, right click on your taskbar or simply go to start menu, then open run. Now search for or type main.cpl. Now your mouse properties will open over here. After that, go to mouse pointer options. Here you will see an option of enhance pointer precision. If the box is not already checked, simply check the box. And if this automatically move pointer to the default button in a dialog box is checked, simply uncheck it and then apply it. Now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.